Mom, is this box for me? What is inside it?
Yes, Leo, this gift is for you. I made it with love.
Really? Let me open it!
Oh, this is not what I wanted.
Leo, please look at it again. I chose it specially for you.
No, Mom, I don't like this gift. I don't want it.
Leo, why are you upset? I wanted to make you happy.
You never know what I like.
That hurts my feelings, Leo. But I still love you.
Maybe you don't understand me at all. I don't want to see this gift anymore. I will put it away and forget about it. Nobody will care if I throw it away. Mom will never know. This box is useless. I will put it in the trash and get a new toy later. Wait, where is my gift? I want to see it again. I need to check the trash. Maybe it has.
No. The truck already came. It's gone. It's really gone.
Oh no, I made a...
Leo, why are you crying? Did something happen?
I threw away your gift, Mom. Now I can't get it back. I'm so sorry.
That gift was made with care. But your feelings are more important to me than any gift.
Mom, I understand now. I was wrong to throw away your gift. I should have respected it and your kindness.
What did you learn today, Leo?
I learned that love and kindness are more important than any gift. I will always value everyone's kindness.
Always value the love and effort behind every gift.
Look at my new bicycle! It's so fast! Wow, Leo! Let's race to the big tree!
You're going to lose.
I bet I can beat you!
No way! I'm the fastest rider here!
Leo, wait! Where is your helmet?
I don't need it, Mom. I'll be careful.
Please, Leo. It's not safe without it.
Don't worry. Nothing will happen.
Ready, set, go!
Catch me if you can!
I can't stop now! I'm winning! The wheel! Something's wrong!
Leo, be careful!
I can't control it!
Fine! Leo, are you okay?
Somebody help! Leo fell down! Ow!
Leo! What happened?
My baby! Are you hurt?
My head, it hurts so much.
Stay still, Leo. We're here now.
This is why we wear a helmet, Leo.
I'm sorry, Mom. I should have worn it.
Winning is not worth getting hurt, Leo.
That's right, son. Rules keep us safe.
Can I have my helmet now?
Of course, my brave boy.
Get well soon, Leo. We'll race again. Safely.
Deal, with helmets this time.